Here's the thing. The org structure of your company is almost 1,000 years out of date. And that's costing you. Right now, the org structure in most companies is based on a functional hierarchy. That is, who you report to is theoretically better than you at your primary job skill or function. For example, let's say that you're a software developer. You report to a senior developer, who in turn reports to the head of development, who reports to the CAO, and so on and so forth. This approach is fine if you want to optimize your organization for skills transfer, i.e. learning, because that's what it does. The problem is that when you optimize for one thing, you will always sub-optimize for something else. We'll get to that. So why skills transfer? Because you know what else is optimized for skills transfer? The apprentice system. That's right, the dominant org structure used by multinational companies today traces back to the Middle Ages, an era not well known for operational efficiency, or for that matter, workers' rights. 1,000 years ago, it made sense. The apprentice, sometimes as young as 10, but usually no older than 15, would be indentured to a master craftsman to learn the trade. And for the master, it was cheap labor. But it was a simpler time. It's not like we needed a cross-functional, multidisciplinary team to shoe a horse. No handoffs were needed. That's just one person's job. Today, it takes multiple people with complementary skills collaborating together, usually badly, to create a product. But because we are in functional teams, work gets handed off between functions, introducing complexity, delays, and issues. It's a pain in the ass for everyone involved, and as a customer, none of us like waiting for a product to be released. In other words, by optimizing for skills transfer, modern organizations are sub-optimized for collaboration and flow of value, which, if you remember, wasn't an issue when shoeing a horse. There's hope in the fact that there are new structures emerging in companies today. That's a topic for another video, but they can be broadly defined as cross-functional, often autonomous teams that are deliberately optimized for flow of value. But here's the thing. Whatever you optimize for comes at a cost. So if you optimize for collaboration and flow of value, you will sub-optimize learning and skills transfer, something that is often overlooked. Despite this, maybe it's time that modern organizations stop treating you like a 14th century teenager. Remember this the next time you're stuck waiting for another team.